Can you see the spark? So we have no problem with sparking. Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is Fistomatic from FMW. Today we're having an interesting predicament because a client called me. Okay, let me put it like this, full story. The client called me up and said, hey Fistomatic, my car this morning lost power. I lost power. How? She's like, on up hills it doesn't wanna go up, you need to change down. I changed up down to second gear, and it was struggling. So I fetched the guy at work, and then what happened is, when I drove it, guys, it was misfiring. So to myself I thought, no, maybe it was a dead spark plug or a dead lead to the spark plug, from the distributor to the spark plug. That's what I thought the problem is. Simple, easy. Okay. Then we brought it back, and when we brought it back, this is what the video is about. Find out with me. Will we catch it? I don't know. Let's find out. Hey, what's up with you? So today we are having a predicament. Here it's a Getz 1.3 12V. It said so on the tappet cover, right? So hey, the car is not having power. Alright, I thought let me replicate what we already did. So okay, so when the car is idling, when you take out the plug, let me actually do it. As you can hear, right, so we remove number one. The spark is there, but number two, the spark is there, but still the same story. Right, and when we remove this side, there's a difference. This is the correct thing that it goes to. Number four, you see, it must do the same thing even here, but it's not doing it. Meaning it's either spark is not traveling, but we've seen that there's spark. So let me prove it again. Guys, there's spark here. Believe you me, there's spark here. Can you see the spark? So we have no problem with sparking. There's definitely spark there. This is the other one. Can you see spark? Yeah, we can see spark. Alright, nice. So we don't have a problem with sparking or plug wires or whatever, right? Every wire is having a spark. So what I'm thinking right now is injectors. So you know, cars need three things to run: air, fuel, and spark. So these have passed. The spark is there. So right now we're gonna just remove the fuel rail and check the injectors. This is my last thing that I'm suspecting. So we're gonna remove the spark plugs, no man, the fuel rail, and then remove the injectors. So we want to check the injectors now, if they are firing or what. Number one. Hey guys, at least we saw what had really happened on the video. We checked for spark, we found the spark. We checked for fuel. We also found the fuel. This was a very very confusing car. Number 1 and 2 cylinders, they were completely dead, but we have fuel, we have spark. So if you would want to find out what really happened to the car, this is now episode number 1 of the series, guys. You'd want to find out more, please subscribe, like and share, right? It means the world to us, but it doesn't cost you anything. Maybe some of you think that when we say subscribe, there's money involved. There's absolutely nothing involved, guys. So please subscribe, like, and let's check you out on the video, on the next video. Yeah, it's been a long day, guys. Peace.